Howdy, hey folks, I just found this very interesting lure up here. I'm about to tear it out of the tree and see what it does. This lure looks kind of vintage, but I'm not sure if it is. It looks pretty stuck up there, but hopefully we can rip it out. Man, the magnets aren't wanting to catch. Ooh, I felt like it. Oh, didn't bite into it. My goodness, am I losing my touch? Oh, I looked away for 2 seconds and I've got it on the end of my pole. Slide that off. Just drop the end of my pole in the water. Sweet deal. Oh man, I think this is vintage. It's an actual wooden lure. Whoa, that is awesome. It doesn't have any name on it. Look at, oh, you can't see it. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. I look at these trees a lot, and I don't think I've seen this up there unless I just thought it was a bobber. That is crazy. Oh man, I can't wait to fish this. And one of you lucky viewers who tagged me in some trash or lures that you picked up are gonna win this lure and a bunch of other ones. And you know what? I'm gonna announce it right now in the future because today's the last day technically. Yeah. I just put the names into a random generator on Google and the winner is at Brian Dane Hansen, or as they put, Ellie is the actual winner. So congratulations, I'm gonna get that box out to you. Send me your address and I'll fill it up a little bit more because I want it to be good and full for you. Thanks so much to everybody that participated, and keep picking up your line, lures, and trash. Let's get this cleaned up. Wowee, that thing is sweet. Let's fish it. Let's get this thing hitched on. I am stoked to see what it does, and partially terrified that I'm going to lose this old lure. Alrighty, let's see what she does. It still floats. Oh, that's so fun. Look at that thing. That's so cool. I've been seeing so many bloops right over here, and I actually saw a small bass tearing it up. So I'm gonna try this lure over here. Oh man, there's a fish following it already. Oh, he split off. Oh man. 2 largemouth bass are following it, just tiny ones. Okay, let's try that again. Come on, how could you not like this vintage lure? I'll be interested to see if it keeps floating as it takes water on. Must have scared those bass away. Didn't like what they saw. Let's move on a little further. Look at all the bluegill, holy cow. They're all way too small to go after this bait. But you know, why not? Let's throw it over their heads. Those are some pretty, oops, those are some pretty chonky guys. It is so warm today, and you can hear fish all over the place. I have high hopes for our success, but we'll see. I don't really know whether to run this fast or slow. I'm trying it all, and I don't know what I'm doing. Wow. Big blow up over there. Should probably cast over there. Okay, let's cast over where that big bloop was. Whoa! I don't know what's going on over there, but there are a lot of little fish. So I just saw there's just a bunch of little bluegill over here, and that must have been what it was. Try to scooch over here and see them. They are all staged up over there, and they do not care one bit for this. Ooh, I see a bass. He is very small. Ooh, that one's not too bad. Oh, they don't care about this though. Shoot. Doesn't anybody respect vintage lures? Ooh, just heard a barred owl. Look at that mass of bluegills right out there. I think it's bluegills. Watch them all scatter. I think I just bumped into some of them. They didn't care at all. I am definitely hearing some sandhill cranes. Okay, I'm coming up here. I'm gonna fish this area right here as my final spot because I've got to go. I'm actually gonna come out here with my family in the John boat later. So I might keep fishing this lure, and then if I catch anything, I'll definitely show y'all. I'm totally gonna catch something like right now though, so it doesn't really matter. Golly, what a beautiful day. Man, the weather is perfect. I don't think it is actually floating anymore. It might be either suspending or slow sinking, because it's got that little bit of exposed wood on the side there. I had wondered about that. I don't want to ruin this lure, but it is very fun to fish with it. And now once I send it off, it'll be Ellie's decision whether they want to fish it or not. Okay, last cast. Maybe. Well, folks, that's all the time I have for today. Thanks so much for coming out with me. This lure is so cool. And once again, congratulations to Ellie for winning the tackle box giveaway. And thanks to everybody who participated in it. You're making the world a better place by cleaning up your own line, cleaning up other people's line, and lures. Thanks so much for coming along with me, and I'll catch you later.